Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Amazing. Hello, Rose. Hello. Nice to see you here. Yes, loud and clear. Amazing. Okay, guys. Funny to see my pre-market plan that I posted in my group already play out. So I have no idea what's a trade, honestly. So my target was London low, previous day low level, and Friday low. Oh, you miss me. Okay, I'm here again. Yeah, actually, my t-shirt for this current bias actually still kind of British bias. In my opinion, we still can go lower. I'm going to talk about this a little bit later. Hello, everyone. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because tomorrow I'm also going to stream here. And don't forget to hit like button, guys. It's only 26 likes, but we have almost 200 people right here. Come on. I hope you're going to trade today, so I'm ready for this. Tomorrow wasn't bad. I got 3 trades actually, but my last trade was break even, unfortunately. Did you see how 8 a.m. 4-hour manipulation worked? It was amazing. I guess not only this 4-hour manipulation, but also was a T-trade model, fractal model right there. It was kind of perfect, yeah. Your like was number 13. Wow, that's nice. Hello. Low taking, I can delete this, I don't need this anymore. Previous day low, I'm going to leave this level of possible RTH test. Do you know about CDT? I have no idea what is this. You know, I'm trying to avoid adding something new to my strategy because fractal model is pretty similar to what I trade. So I basically trade this power of 3 liquidity sweep, changing the state of dealing lower time frame, but I'm not going to add something new. Honestly, sometimes, not sometimes, every single time when I'm trying to add something new, every single time I see like, okay, here's my entry. But according to another model, it's not my entry. So let's wait more. So actually, when you're trying to combine lots of different strategies, you will never find any entry. So no, I'm not going to even try to find out what is this. 1 hour? Yeah, of course. Give me 1 second. We are going to forward test this fractal model today. And of course, usually I don't use 1 hour levels right here because it's more for scalp, I guess. But I can show you if you want. Yeah, once market opens, we are going to focus on charts. Here's, yeah, absolutely amazing. Look at this. We got hourly open right here, manipulation down, and distribution right here. It was clean right here. Let's back. I don't use 1 hour charts, 1 hour levels right here. I use 4 hour and daily. It's easy for me to understand possible bias. Yeah, exactly. When I'm trying to find look at the ES chart and find these daily levels, 15-minute inversion for a while ago, it works like a magic. So it's like, yeah, perfect. But we are going to forward test this model. So we're going to actually try to trade this. Today we got absolutely amazing setup, but I'm not going to lie. I was like, It's like before news, before market open, I was scared to take this trade, honestly. So, but I saw this. It was absolutely clear 15-minute sweep right here for to close above previous candle high. We closed inside previous candle range on 15-minute chart. It's not this, by the way. It's already new candles right here. And then we did trace to change in the state of delivery. It was absolutely amazing. Okay, I missed this trade. Not really miss. I saw this trade, but I was like, kind of scared to take it. You're waiting for the closure of 8-hour candle. Okay. Let's back on NQ. So my original plan, I posted my pre-market plan like 1 hour ago, and my plan was like, okay, I'm going to wait for possible retracement back to premium of overnight range, and I'm going to short to London low, previous day low level, and I'm going to differentiate to Friday low. And they said like, let's do this before market open. Let's chop the rest of the day. Why not? So Dash is going to steam. Let's consolidate the rest of the day. Oh, well, Friday low taking on both ES and NQ. Obviously, we don't have any SMT. But honestly, I expect to get this move down after SMT. For example, let's say NQ could run New York midnight open. London high, ES, for example, fails. And it's going to be perfect. It's going to be SMT for sure. But no, they said no, thank you. Give me 1 second, guys. What if to try to do this? Use only liquidity levels. Obviously, we all want to use liquidity levels to trade something. So, yeah. Hello, everyone. Hello. So at this moment, what we can expect? We can expect possible RTH retest of previous day low level right here. Then we will see how it's going to play out. Honestly, I want to continuation of move lower. Hello. What's the best setup for Forex? Which setup that works for you. It can be whatever you want. It can be a trend line break. It can be any strategy that works for you. So there is no best setup. I can say, for example, best setup is to trade, I don't know, changing the state of delivery. For me, it's best setup, but for you, it's not going to work. So I guess it's not best question to ask. Hello. November 15 low. Can you please give me the number so I don't need to look for this price? Just give me the price for this level, November 15 low. Which mentorship do you recommend to most a bit? Oh, by the way, maybe it's not good to say, but I never watched mentorship 2023 and 2024. So I recommend to start from core content. Explain how you define change in the state of delivery. Actually, I explained this in the beginning of my very first live stream. It was last week, so you can check this out. Thank you. Let me highlight this. Thank you. Highlighted this. Let me change colors to it so I will understand this is sell side liquidity. Why? Actually, it's not like necessary to see continuation lower, but I would like to show you why. If I want to measure from here to here, so can you see these dots? It's actually a manipulation leg after we got some sort of consolidation right here. And as you can see, by the way, let me show you like this. As you can see, we kind of consolidate near this range right here. And even, for example, yes, it can be possible distortion setup right here because we got inversion fair value gap right here. And usually I expect to get around to nearest liquidity level, for example, Friday low, but it's not going to be a final target. In my opinion, they will try to reach something near this 4 standard deviation. And 4 standard deviation, I would say, lines up even with these lows right here. Honestly, expected to get something like this. With this drop, 4 standard deviation look nice in my opinion. But once again, I'm not going to short blindly because I anticipate to see something. If setup is going to tell me like, okay, it's going to be continuation lower, I'm going to aim for this level. First, this liquidity level because it's pretty close on 1 hour chart to this level, but runner is going to be to this 4 standard deviation. So something like this. Let me bring this back. Which mentorship? I highly recommend to start with core content. Not 2022, not 2023 or something like this, but you can start with core content. 15-minute looks like manipulation. Okay. Kind of. Hello, 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 guys. Hello, hello, hello. We have SMT between ES and NQ. You mean on highs or lows? Let me check this out. I wouldn't say we have SMT between ES and NQ on daily chart on lows because we both ES and NQ run Friday low. My point of interest was London high, London low and Friday low. Unfortunately, we already run this level. So now I'm just like, okay, what do we need to do with this? So actually they may just retrace to internal, exactly right, internal range liquidity and then continue going down. Once again, I'm not going to predict right now because my target already reached before market open. But honestly, I don't expect to get consolidation because tomorrow we have earning, right? After bell. So I guess they will try to do high or low of the week today. So this means we can get expansion. We got 5-minute inversion already. We got 5-minute change in the state of delivery. And it's about to offer. Let's, by the way, highlight this level. Guys, my question for you. So let me hide. Let me hide this and this. My question for you guys: what this? Let's change to what this blue line means. Who knows? What this blue line means? What we can anticipate to get with this blue line? Why we can expect to see possible move to this blue line? Who knows what this level means? Don't tell me it's order block. It's not. I mean, it can be order block, but we're not going to talk about order block right here. Exactly right, guys. That's possible immediate rebalance. So if, for example, price wants to continue going down, this means it will try to offer possible immediate rebalance right here. New York midnight open slightly higher right here. And then they will try to offer immediate reaction from there. So we are going to highlight this level. Let's everyone highlight this level on your chart, and we are going to give it a name like possible. Not like this, possible 1 hour immediate rebalance. So we are going to keep our eyes on this level. So if we all understand that market usually try to prevent formation of imbalances, right? So we are going to highlight this possible immediate rebalance. As we can see, we got a strong down close candles and reversals. This means they try to balance this part right here. And if, for example, we have 28 minutes, no, I guess we can get it. So it's going to be possible immediate rebalance. So we all want to see this right now. Because if it wasn't, let's say, imbalance, this means it's going to be liquidity void right here, and this means it's going to be continuation lower, and it's going to leave this fair value gap right here. This means we need to retrace. It's going to be expansion, then sharp reversal. But I don't really need huge expansion down yet because we're still inside high time frame structure. If you want to check daily chart, I'm sorry guys, I know lots of drawings. Let's switch on another chart. I want to show you something. Where's NQZ? Hey, 2024? You want to like this? Okay. It was my recap from yesterday. So basically what we got right here, we got break of structure right here. What we would like to anticipate at this point. Once you got break of structure, we anticipate to get move down. Move down where? To discount. So people can anticipate to get OT retracement, but usually I anticipate to get discount order block. So this means after we got break of structure to upside, we got actually this right here. We can wait for potential retracement down to discount order block right here. So this is discount OB right here. But what we want to say, what we want to do with this, in order to, for example, to trade this, for example, continuation higher to run this high, preferably we need to get wallet low for this. Wallet low, this means we need to get order block formed. Bullish change in the state of delivery. It must do like this. So at this moment, as you can see, we never got any change in the state of delivery right here. And at this moment, we don't have any signs of potential reversal right here yet. But as long as, I guess, yeah, we need to close above this level on daily chart. Maybe for our chart will be enough. Not sure yet. And once we can get the closure above this level, I'm going to say like, okay, I'm going to aim for potential all-time high. So new all-time high level. So I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense, right, guys? Okay. Just, I mean, a classic understanding of market structure, nothing hard right here. Once we got break of structure to the upside, we anticipate to get retracement, where to discount. It's like classic picture. Preferable to order block and then continuation higher, but in order to trade this continuation, we need to get what? Wallet low or order block. Makes sense, right? Yeah, okay. Just to make sure everyone understands this. So at this moment, it failed to offer immediate rebalance. For now, we have 25 minutes right here. This means if it's going to be closure somewhere inside this discount of this previous candle range, they may try to offer immediate balance at this point. So it's okay to, great question about structure should hold, right? But it's okay to run sell-side liquidity as long as this sell-side liquidity is not protected low. Nothing wrong with this. Yeah, I'm talking about daily time frame, yeah. In my opinion, I'm going to come back to, it's not this chart in QZ right here. In my opinion, we need to get another break of structure right here to say this is going to be protected low. But in my opinion, this low is not protected low, and this low is previous week low level, which can be taken for easily. In my opinion, so if it's going to fail to offer not break of structure, change in the state of delivery, it will chase to this fair value gap and will continue going down right here, and that's it. We will not run this liquidity level right here, but we may run this liquidity level in reverse right here. And reversal will be, entry will be on daily chart. If you swing trade, is going to be just order block. That's it. Absolutely nothing wrong if it's going to fail to offer change in the state of delivery right here, wallet low. We are going to run this. Sell side liquidity is also equal lows, right? Equal lows right here. previous week low level. It also lines up with monthly open right here. So lots of levels around this, and I'm totally fine to see potential move to this internal range liquidity. So actually just fair value gap right here, and then continuation down, for example, to take these lows, because this is not protected low yet. Make sense? Okay, time to focus. So it's 9:36. I'm going to switch on this chart right now. I see it trying to, this fractal model is trying to tell me it wants to continue going up. For example, we have target at this 1 hour. Let me bring this back. We got beep right here. We got a candle for continuation. Preferably when I see this, I would like to see order block formation, but it's kind of not yet. Absolutely horrible risk reward right here. Not worth it. Look, inside 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Let me highlight this fair value gap. Like this. Super right, I guess. Like this. Just didn't like this risk reward. I don't like to trade 1 hour. Okay, pretty much balanced part right here. No reason to retrace right here if it wants to continue going up. Hello, hello, C-Trade. So basically we stuck between 2 and 2.5. We usually call this as retracement reversal range. But once again, we want to see this possible 1 hour immediate rebalance. We still have 20 minutes left. So that's going to be conservative level for us. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, about changing the state of delivery, guys. I explained this in my very first live stream. It was at the very beginning, I guess before we even market open. First 5-10 minutes. This is 1 minute chart right here. Oh, by the way, let me... Okay, this is 1 minute chart. Can you see this? Cool indicator. I can share with you if you want. Yeah, I'm going to talk about T-trade indicator, how I see this soon today. We are going to talk about this today, don't worry. Friday low taken, London low taken. Don't need this level anymore. Back to this for our manipulation. Guess it's going to consolidate a little bit around this level. Actually, on my top step X, I took only 1 trade with you guys. That's pretty much it. I up like maybe $300 right there. I don't remember. So here we go. As we can see, we got possible immediate rebalance. Are you Russian American? Actually, yes. So we got this move right here. I mean, yeah, we could talk this long, but I didn't like this keyword right here. Kind of not worth it, 1 hour. Didn't like it. That's fine. We got your accent says, I mean, yeah, I have Russian accent. Yes, of course, you can share the link to this indicator. And I'm going to Belarus. Okay. Belarus, not Belarus. It's Belarus. Okay, guys, if you want to get 20% coupon for this indicator, for trade indicator, I'm going to share the link with you guys. Give me 1 second. But I'm going to cover what this indicator means, how we want to trade this soon, but today. Not right now, but today. Let me share the link with you guys. It's right here, I guess. Yeah. Give me 1 second. It's going to give you 20% coupon, of course, if you want. It calls Fractal model. You stay in Russia. What? Should I buy? You want to full port? Don't recommend to do this. So we got my first target right here, possible immediate rebalance. Kind of once again didn't like this risk reward trade 1 hour, but still we got amazing move right here. What about ES? ES is about to offer same one. It's right here. It's about to take this level as well. Like 1 point away. Oh, you're very welcome. Okay, let me check ES again. Let me set alert so I don't need to jump between time frames and charts. Looking to get same exactly move on ES. We got, it's not possible by the way anymore. It just immediate rebalance, 1 hour immediate rebalance. 15-minute chart just offered inversion fair value gap. I mean, we just got the closure above this 15-minute fair value gap. Going to change the color. See how it's trying, it kind of stuck at this immediate rebalance right here. Lots of wicks around this level. Just, I like this, trying to consolidate around this level. Trying to decide, I guess, where we want to go. By the way, I need to do something like this. And got equal highs right here. Buy stops. Very first important buy stops on this way up. Yeah, see you later then. Bye bye. But see how this fractal model play out today twice. Like right here, entry right here, and entry right here. All I didn't like right here is just this keyword and trade. So actually both ES and NQ offered already immediate rebalance. Not immediate rebalance, 15-minute inversion fair value gap. ES is about to offer immediate rebalance, but still couple of points away from this level. It was like one point away. Did we see manipulation down on 15-minute chart? Yeah, possibly. So right now just the test of 15-minute inversion fair value gap, but I see how it's trying to respect this level. That's so interesting actually. All I need to do right here is change time frame like this and like this. So amazing rejection from this immediate rebalance. That's nice. They did trace back to this inversion fair value gap, but it's absolutely amazing right here. See how, how it's trying to reject from here. Exactly from this immediate rebalance. Full name Lume. It's not my real name. I should trade CL, sometimes gold, but like CL more. But I trade NQ every single day, so it's like my primary instrument. Gold sometimes, CL also, more often than gold, of course. But every single day I'm trying to trade NQ. Oh, just notice this. That's absolutely great question about London manipulation. If London wants to be not like real London right here, but this fair value can be real distribution for us. If this move right here wants to be manipulation with fake distribution right here, this can be real distribution. So let's see how this 15-minute can play out. In order to trade 15-minute chart, we need to have 2-minute structure for this. Okay. We don't know yet, so we will see. It's not this yet. To confirm this. Can you explain what that 1 hour immediate rebalance? What exactly you want to hear from me about immediate rebalance? The test of 15-minute inversion. By the way, ES failed to detect this inversion fair value gap because it's pretty small inversion, but NQ already did that. Why? Okay, that's. Do you know what is immediate rebalance? What immediate rebalance means? How we want to find this on our chart before this happens? Why we want to see immediate rebalance? Who knows? That's pretty much easy question. Who knows why we would like to see immediate rebalance? Oh, by the way, this indicator doesn't work on 2-minute chart. What's wrong with my drawing tool right here? So we're trying to respect this 1 hour, 1-minute order block right here. Looks like it's about to offer 2-minute structure. Where you can see this 2-minute chart. 2-minute, as well as, yeah, we tested 1-minute order block, 2-minute order block with from this possible 15-minute. Not like real distribution yet, but still can be real distribution. Kind of like it. Let's see if we can find setup right now. Not right now, soon. Can you ask a question about immediate rebalance in 50 minutes, okay, after 10:30? If you don't mind, of course. So now just trying to focus because we can get set up soon. Yeah, don't forget to ask or remind me about this. Need to, that's 1 minute. Okay, with this move down, ES also detested 15-minute inversion fair value gap. All I don't like right now, only ES failed to take immediate offer immediate rebalance. That's what I don't like right now. Okay, we entered 950 macro. No wick. No, this candle is not formed yet, so. Oh, you mean this? Okay, I see. It's like at 600 level. Okay, yeah, that's right. It's near equilibrium of previous range. Just notice this. Yes, good observation. Exactly. No trades yet, so absolutely nothing taken yet. I'm going to show you my trade once I'm in trade. Not yet. Nothing yet, in my opinion. What is TJF? We don't need this. Let's see if it wants to be inversion or a reclaimed fair value gap. We will see. Yeah, if I'm going to enter the trade, usually I usually try to draw something like this, something like this, so you will understand if I'm looking for setup. I'm just trying to focus right now. I'm going to be a little bit more focused on chart, okay? What I don't mind to see is possibly RTH test of previous day low level. Let me see how many points we are away from this level. Like 80 points. Not sure about the entry right here. Kind of don't mind to see once again the test of previous day low level, like RTH test, but not sure about the entry at this point. I cannot see any low risk entry. Inverse breaker block maybe is going to be a reclaimed order block. Okay, why I did not enter right here? Yeah, actually this can be deal distribution. This purple box can be deal distribution setup, but with this reaction down, we did trace to this 15-minute inversion fair value gap. And kind of tricky right here because I would like to sell over to previous day low level, but in my opinion, question if it wants to be time distortion right here to continue going down, for example, to this pre-market high, but preferable to see previous day low retest because we did not get RTH test of this level yet. We opened above previous day low level, but we already ran this level before market open. If you open RTA chart, you will see we never actually ran previous day low level yet. We're still above this level. But once again, my concern is that it can be potential time distortion right here, and that's why I don't want to take it. Kind of tricky in my opinion. Also, there is no weak 1 minute on 1 minute candle. Yeah. There's no need to rush, I guess. Because this inversion for a while gap is still valid for a potential time distortion setup. To take these buy stops, for example. All I want to say it's still bullish, so I don't want to short right now. Just need to see invalidation of this distortion, I guess. Why you cannot go back to Steam? I don't know. I just don't want to take trades because I anticipate to see something. If I can see setup, I'm going to take it because I can see setup. Both yes and Q stuck inside bullish 15-minute inversion for a while gap. That's actually my concern. It's still too early, so it's not even 10 a.m. yet. You know what can happen right here? If it wants to close below this up close candle, it may possibly retrace and then continue going down to this sell side liquidity. This can be a potential move. But if it wants to form order block right here, with failure to make a new high right here, this can happen. Let's see. For this, we need to make 10 seconds left, so we need to make order block. To the sell stops. Funny how it started consolidating inside 15-minute inversion for a value gap, but as reaction from real distribution right here. Okay, looking for the sell stops possibly taken. Why? Because it failed to make it's pretty much consolidation, failed to make a new high right here, offer it valid high right here. So it will try to take this low possibly. This can possibly invalidate time distortion. Is this a deeper? Let's keep it simple, please. Cannot trade yet. Absolutely nothing I like. We're going to trade top step X. It's top step X chart. Nothing yet. This moment would like to see potential move to the sell stops because it failed to make a new high right here. Usually it may try to reach nearest liquidity level. Near liquidity level is these sell stops. Not these, not these, not these, not these, but these sell stops. But once again, nothing to take yet. This candle should drop. Nothing is guaranteed, guys, so. Let me check ES, just to compare. ES closed on 15-minute chart inside bearish fair value gap. Usually I expect to get reaction. Down. You're out with break-even. Why you decided to out at break-even and said, this means you entered at the middle of consolidation. We stop at break-even. It's not really smart. Stop at least right here if you targeted these sell stops. That's pretty much it. Guys, once I'm in trade, you're going to know about this first. I'm going to open this and you will see, oh my god, we are in trade. But as you can see, I did not share this chart. This means we are not in trade. That's so simple. Why? If you want to talk about consolidation, we're trying to find conservative target. Conservative target in terms of this market structure of this consolidation is this. Sell side liquidity level. Why? Because as we can see, we started consolidating right here. With this move up right here, it failed to make a new high. It failed to break this high. But instead, it offered order block right here. This means we anticipate to get move lower to the near sell side liquidity level, which is right here. But this is consolidation. Just keep this in mind. Let's check ES real quick, just to see what is going on right there. Same sell stops. Now SMT. No inversion. Ah, that's the mini chart. Never mind. Same inversion right here. It's 10 already. Possible. IB. IB means immediate balance. So pretty similar picture that we have on NQ. But we failed to take immediate rebalance level on ES. Can be sign of SMT? Not really. No SMT? Not really. We don't have any SMT yet. Obvious or important SMT yet. If you have something, it's going to be minor. So nothing still for me yet to trade. I detested wallet high right here. Pretty solid week, but it's consolidation, so we don't need to expect a lot from this week. Ideally to short, like for example to previous day low level, maybe even lower, we need to invalidate this distortion, because this is bullish distortion right now since this inversion fair value gap still holds. As long as we above this sell stops, it's still bullish, unfortunately, or fortunately, so it depends on your bias. Yeah, I also noticed when like NQ acts like this. Not going to give it a right name for this price action. CL usually perfect. Okay, let me check CL. On CL, maybe, oh, I forgot to share this. On CL, maybe I would like to see slightly lower, possibly retracement down around like 69.20, 69.15, and then continuation higher at this moment. Why yesterday I decided to choose New York Midnight Open as my target? Because yesterday, before I entered the trade, we consolidated around this level since lunch. I was like, okay, we cannot break this level. We cannot break this level to upside, to downside. We're actually trying to consolidate around this level. And if you notice, if you like back to yesterday, you will see how many times we reversed from this level. So I was like, I'm not sure I want to aim for liquidity level, but I'm sure I want to aim for New York Midnight Open because that's conservative target for me. You completed, okay, I'm going to do this a little bit later. Because if you go on my Twitter page, you will find a syllabus right there. So you will find step-by-step ICT for beginners, actually. It's too hot right here. This is actually just, I use this indicator, fractal model by T-Trade, but you can find these candles just like type power of 3 right here on indicator section. Because, for example, you see this 1 minute chart right here, but this big candles is 15-minute chart, 15-minute candles. For example, you can look for possible sweep on 15-minute chart, and or for example, we reach for a value gap or any other level, and we can wait for 1 minute structure for this to trade it. Hello, hello, hello. Just we'll try to stay away from this consolidation because we need to leave this consolidation to see obviously expansion, right? So I'm not going to remove this inversion because it's still valid distortion setup. Even if you already broke below this level, I don't care. As long as we above this sell stop, that's valid distortion, bullish distortion setup right here. Just don't want to trade consolidation. We are going to invalidate this inversion fair value gap once this liquidity will be broken. Just if you want to consider this as potential second stage of reaccumulation right here, because totally possible to take these buy stops. For example, we need to hold the sell stops and inversion fair value gap usually entry for this. We stop loss below these sell stops. So that's what I said. I'm not going to short because it's still valid distortion setup, but I'm not really interested in long in this consolidation because this possible entry, this inversion for a well gap at the very top of this consolidation. So kind of not worth it, I guess. Not interested in this trade. Because, guys, I already said it millions times, but every single time when I'm trying to trade consolidation, especially on 1 minute chart, I have losing trade. I just need to learn how to trade consolidation properly, I guess. So if I can avoid to take unnecessary losses, I will do this. I even cannot call this like accepting the risk. I just, according to statistic, I have lots of losing trades inside consolidation, so I will try to avoid this. Yeah, ICT height from candle, exactly right. So you can find this right here. Just type power of 3, for example. You will find, for example, this indicator. Or you can find here height from candles. But you can use this indicator. Or height from candles. This one. Okay, bet is your doll. I mean, my bias at this moment, as long as you're trying to hold this inversion, is bullish to take this buy stops on my chart, this green line right here. But once again, I'm going to invalidate this because it can be potentially 15-minute real distribution setup below the sell stops. Just unfortunately, I don't have like perfect bias right now because we already reached my target. It was Friday low and London low. Right now, it's like, okay, what do I need to trade at this point? Because I did not expect to get lower than Friday low, honestly. And they reached before market opened like 9 a.m. Because ideally, in our perfect world, if we want to trade time distortion setup, we need to jump. We need to jump long right here with stop loss below this sell stops, and target is going to be this. As you can see, it's very top of this consolidation, absolutely not worth it, in my opinion. It's very risky trade. You can see fractal model, third candle on 1 minute time frame. Once again, you're going to use third candle on 1 minute time frame if we got 15-minute sweep. Once we got 15-minute sweep, you want to switch on 1 minute chart and find order block. You can enter out order block. We don't need really to see the tracement of this order block. Just once this order block formed, you can enter right there. In order to short, I guess I would like to see break below the sell stops. Watermark, please, of course. What's the name of the indicator that I have for watermark? I don't remember. Give me 1 second. Perfect. So it's much easier to see time frames right now. Sorry guys about this. Have you studied something other than ICT? Actually, I started from basic retail stuff. Yeah, I studied, by the way, market profiles. I studied supply and demand, and then I switched to ICT. I mean, first I studied like retail strategies, like for example, bull flag, bear flag, something like this. Then I switched to this market profiles and supply and demand. I even got the course from Invest Trade. Then I switched to ICT. It's not because I'm live, because in QRZ reached the like main target for us, main liquidity level. That's why we're consolidating. Or give me 1 second. Don't worry, we'll get the setup eventually. So just need to give it a time. Just need to give it a time. Yes, exactly right, about Twins model and this fractal model, because this fractal model is pretty similar to what I trade actually. That's why I decided to try this. Mm-hmm. Previous week low as well. Yep, it can. This old previous week low level, by the way, I forgot to change. Old. Yes, it can. Sorry guys, lots of drawings I know. Yes, it can. Oh, we were on 1 minute chart. Come on, it's not fair, really. Like every single time I'm trying to be live, it's consolidation. It's not fair, especially once market opened, like 9:30 right here. We never actually moved. It never actually offered a low risk trade. Come on. Nothing taken yet. I hope we can get something. In my opinion, NQ could be nice if, for example, this move down happened once market open, not before this. But no, let's accept this move. Yeah, it's consolidation right now, but once again, tomorrow is going to be earning, I guess, for NVIDIA, right? So this means they will try to create higher or low today. I mean, obviously we already got perfect low right here, but it was before market open. We need to get something right here on this RTA chart. On RTA chart, look at this chart. And it's RTA chart, guys. It's you can give it a name. So well, guys, let's answer some questions. No reason to watch this consolidation. Ask questions. We are going to talk about something interesting. I hope so. Let me check this out for our chart. Yes, that's right. We're still inside 62%, I would say. That was my aha moment. Oh, that's actually interesting. I realized this only 1 year ago, maybe a little bit more than 1 year ago. I realized, for example, if we reach daily fair value gap, the action from this level on daily fair value gap on 15-minute chart is going to be absolutely amazing. Smart money reversal. I was like, okay, we reach daily fair value gap. Let's say we reach daily fair value gap right here. Here's daily fair value gap. For example, we run this bearish fair value gap. We run this, and the reaction from here on 15-minute chart is going to be market maker sell mantle. I was like, what? It was aha moment. I was like, no way. And when I was trying to backtest this, I was like, no way, come on, how it's going to work? Because on 15-minute chart, it looked like 15-minute order block, confirmed smart money reversal, and market maker sell model. Every single time was like, wait, it was so easy? Why no one talked about this before? Yes, this inversion for a valid gap valid for continuation higher. And it's going to be valid as long as we hold the sell stops. Executions anymore on my chart from yesterday. I'm not sure. I'm going to check this out. I posted yesterday on Twitter if you want to check this out. It was chart with execution sizes. Guys, it was... I got message that my OBS disconnected. What about now? Can you see my screen? Can you see me? Something happened with my OBS, I guess. Guys, yes, no. Can you see my screen right now? Okay. That's strange. Okay. We're back. OBS disconnected my stream, I guess, for some reason. Maybe it was something wrong with my internet. Maybe. Okay, that's nice. I was like, what is going on? Yeah, guys, try to refresh your page on YouTube or close Discord and open again. Okay. That's funny, by the way. Yesterday, my first trade, I entered right before market close. Short. They failed to take my target by how many? Like 5 points. Then they traced back up to my entry, went to my stop loss, one point above my stop loss, and drop at the open at 6 p.m. right to my target. I was like, market maker, why trying to hunt my target, my stop losses? It was top step. It's not like my live account. Can you see my team funded account? What is going on? Just like 1 point away, 1 point above my stop loss. 1 point, it was 11, even like less. It was ridiculous, but that's fine. That's fine. Top step yesterday had issue, but I didn't have I didn't trade top step because I traded my express funded account, so simply it hit my stop loss, so it was my fault. Okay, ES reached possible immediate balance. It's not possible anymore. And Q still trying to hold this inversion. Buy side liquidity is going to be possible second stage of accumulation right here. You don't understand why this inversion for a while was valid, right? That's your question? If that's your question, basically, if you want to consider this as time distortion, because we want to consider this as time distortion, it's even inside this range between 2.25, 2.5 right here. So basically, anticipate to get distortion, right? And in order to trade this distortion, we need to get run sell side liquidity right here, formation of inversion fair value gap, and this distortion setup will be valid. Distortion setup inversion fair value gap is going to be valid as long as you hold the sell stops. This first retracement down. After this, we got inversion. This means even if price is going to close below this inversion, these sell stops will hold this distortion setup to move us higher. For example, my target, in my opinion, must be these buy stops because it's equal highs. That's pretty much it. If you want to check ES, on ES we got possible immediate balance on 1 hour chart finally. And that's it. So far. Took nothing. 0 executions. Absolutely nothing to share, guys. By the way, yeah, it says it. Yeah, show executions. Nothing. If you want to learn about time distortion setup, you can watch standard deviation video on my channel. Standard deviation projections. It goes like this. These buy stops or equal highs. TL dropped a little bit more than I expected. We got news at 10:30, right? On CL. I expect to get on CL drop like maybe 40 cents, maybe 50 cents. Interesting. Just bigger drop than I expected to get. Let's remove some drawings because lots of drawings. 15-minute inversion. I want to keep this. Oops. Want to remove this order blocks. This sell stop still makes sense to hold this. Too close to the equal highs. Also, we reach this range between 4 and 4.5. But I like this above this 4.5. We have these buy stops. We need to take this, in my opinion. I would like to collect a little bit bigger, like right here. Yeah, looks like we need to run this buy stops. It's not only buy side liquidity, it's equal highs. Come on. $15-minute inversion last for our candle is bullish. Nice run up. Yeah, not bad. Didn't like this consolidation because it's too long. It's for like almost 1 hour. But overall, not bad. Okay, we run these buy stops, equal highs right here. They were trying to hold this time distortion setup. What about ES? I guess ES also run this liquidity level. We got equal highs right there as well. First target was this equal highs, but I guess next target is going to be New York midnight open. But was pretty much second stage in my opinion. Second stage of the accumulation. Let me do something. What do I need to do? So this is indicator. This is fractal model indicator. Or if you want to have only these candles in your chart, you can find high time frame candles. Just type high time frame candles and use this indicator. Right now we reached 4 standard deviation right here and 2.5 standard deviation of this bigger leg, manipulation leg. So let's see how we react from this level. 4 standard deviation of this bigger leg lines up with previous day high level. This alert, so I expect to get move up right here yesterday. So I'll set alert yesterday. Yeah, I usually use wicks as well, from here to here. Some people use bodies, so I use wicks. Looks like market maker buy model. Yes, it was second stage of reaccumulation right here. USD can be high of the week, yes. Right now it's low of the week. Let's trace to this OB right now. With this retracement looks like offered, not really yet. 15-minute, let me check this out. Almost offered 15-minute immediate rebalance as well. Just did trace a small 5-minute fair value gap right here. Oh, I have 5-minute chart right here. Yeah, I would like to see a retracement, but maybe this retracement is not going to be big. We will see. Preferably lower, but once again, not ready to say I would like to see reversal, but retracement, yes. How many points we are away from New York midnight open? 57 points away. At this moment, my point of interest is going to be New York midnight open. Obviously, we can aim for overnight liquidity levels, but New York midnight open as conservative target. I'm not in trade, guys, right now. It's trying to be bullish. Look at this for our candle week. It's pretty bullish week right now. I guess they will try to move us possibly to these overnight levels right now. Somewhere right here. Like this. Indian. What? You got minor, not like perfect, but inversion for a value gap right here on 1 minute chart. Okay, yes. Yes, stuck at the equilibrium of previous range. Actually in Q as well. Also, yes, it traced back up to 1 hour bearish inversion for a value gap just now. Anyway, still bullish. Let's see if I can look for potential retracement and then another long setup. Looking for this right now. Would like to aim for New York midnight open, but once again, let's see. You're going to sleep, okay? I'd like to see New York midnight open. Just waiting for the retracement for this. Somewhere right here, back to at least to this week's. We got equal lows right here. Let's see if we get this retracement to enter the trade. Because they stuck at this buy side liquidity, this equal highs, and trying to hold this inversion fair value gap right here. I feel like it's going to be kind of risky for me to enter long right here with, no, I mean, stop loss is going to be this equal lows, kind of risky. Too high. But looking for long. Why no replay? Trying to understand your question. But why no replay feature? What do you mean? Because it's kind of 53 points, but stop loss. I feel like it's kind of aggressive right here to enter long without retracement at all. But for example, run back to this equilibrium of previous range, sweep this equal lows, and then reversal will be much better. I don't know why it doesn't allow to replay. I will try to figure this out, okay? Just like this equal lows right here, honestly. Preferable to sweep them first. And we don't need to enter the trade too high at this point. I don't know how to fix this. I will try to figure this out. It's not really bad price action, just kind of hard to execute, I guess. All I want to see is New York midnight open taken. Yes, also preferably take New York midnight open. How many points we are away from this level? 15 points, that's a lot. If it's 15 points away from New York Midnight Open on ES, this means we can go much higher than this New York Midnight Open. Okay. It's on the way to reach New York Midnight Open, which is conservative target. Not final target, conservative target. No, I'm not in trade. No trades taken yet. The tracement to this OB. Because if New York Midnight Open is conservative target, final target is going to be previous day high. This is what I expect to get. Looks like SPX filled the gap, right? By the way, tomorrow they may expand because we have earning after bell. So we will see. For now, I would like to, I guess, wait for possible move to New York Midnight Open first. Give me 1 second, guys. Would like to highlight this because that's order block. This gray line is order block on 4-hour chart. We just touch this. I would say New York Midnight Open is like 50% of this 4-hour order block. So right here we just touch this, trying to give us reaction, but nothing still. Yes, now it's better to just wait for possible continuation hard to take New York Midnight Open, then we will try to react. because I could consider long from somewhere from equal lows, then continuation higher, but as you can see, I was trying to just pick this inversion, continue going higher. Okay. Not really what I like. No, guys, that's fine. We still can get set up. Just I guess no reason to look for entry right here because it's too high already. So since we got for our order block, we need to get 2-minute structure, not 1-minute structure. If, for example, it wants to reverse from here for some magical reason and fail to take New York midnight open, we need to get 2-minute structure. As you can see, absolutely nothing here yet. Still bullish. It's almost 11, so we can get new hourly structure, new candle. Fair value gap on 1-minute chart. Very small fair value gap on 1-minute chart, but they're trying to hold this inversion. But very small fair value gap. Since we got for our PDRA, I can use 5-minute or 2-minute structure, but not 1 minute. 1 minute for example, 1 hour or 15 minutes. As you can see, we did not get any change in the state of delivery yet. So nothing here yet. Simply continuation. We want to see New York midnight open. Like at least. Still bullish. 15-minute, 1 hour candles very bullish right now. Right now we're stuck inside for our bearish fair value gap and for our order block. That's pretty much it. going to keep my eyes on 2 minutes right now because we can get something right there. Anyway, we need to get structure to short. Absolutely nothing. At least something. Twenty points away from New York midnight open. 20 points away. But this market maker buy model could be much better than this consolidation. But pretty much balanced right here, by the way, which is good. We already got 15-minute immediate rebalance right here. Yes, I will be here tomorrow. I mean, you said I messed with this nice long trade. I mean, not really. Well, the opportunity for a long, in my opinion, was right here in this inversion. This stop loss right here. But this inversion was at the top of this consolidation. I didn't feel like I need to trade this. It could be bearish, for example, if we failed to take Friday low. But we already did that. NQ, yeah, NQ just entered 1 hour inversion fair value gap. Still inside for our order block. What about ES on for our chart? Yeah, also ES inside for our fair value gap. Waiting for New York midnight opens and we'll see. Lots of feather swings right here. That's a good sign for us. It may quickly push us higher, and we will see how it's going to form smart money reversal. But at least New York midnight open. What about yes? Still 14 points away from this level. Well, so let's see how we take this sell side liquidity level. Let's see if we can get market structure. Still below New York midnight open, that's only one concern. So we trace to this OB right here. Trying to react from this order block, but it's okay. Let's see how we hold this fair value gap. Target still higher, New York midnight open. I guess no reason to enter the trade in this mess. Yeah, SPX filled the gap from yesterday. Because if it wants to be retracement, I guess the retracement will be somewhere right here. Not that big. Yeah, to run this sell side liquidity, but not ready to say it's going to be reversal, honestly. This sell stops. Why I don't want to say it's going to be reversal? Because I still would like to see New York midnight open. From trading, so I don't make a lot of money from Discord, if you think so, and from book. If you can see, I sell this book for $40. Guess what? How many Amazon pays me? Just any guesses? I'm not going to get $40 for this book, if you think so. Guess what is my profit for one book that I sell for $40? Not 28, not $5, guys. So I'm a millionaire. Where I can count my millions? $5. $5. $5, guys. Let me count my millions, please. Where's my millions? Oh, I cannot find it. So, because Amazon has lots of fees. Lots of fees. Yeah, of course. I'm trying to make my money from books. Exactly. $5. So of course. $5. So that's ridiculous. Funny, right? But for example, I sell this for $40. If I want to sell, for example, for less money, it's going to be like, I cannot sell for less money because I'm not going to have any profit. Amazon doesn't let me to reduce the price. I don't know, lots of fees. But people keep saying, okay, she's making her money from selling books. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah. I'm making millions from this. People love to talk a lot, but they don't understand how it works, but they love to talk a lot. So just in case you didn't know, so no, I'm not making my money from selling courses. First, I don't have any courses, and no, I'm not going to make any money from my book. Of course, if I'm going to sell this for, I don't know, for like $200, I don't know, I'm going to make some profit from here. But no. I don't know where is this button, honestly. The question is the book worth it. I mean, you can watch this on YouTube for free on ACT YouTube channel, so it's going to worth it, trust me. Yes, extremely bullish right now. Let's see if it wants to give us any signs of reversal. Not yet. Yes, I use this T-trade indicator. It calls the fractal model. But once again, don't blindly sell because it's trying to show you bearish area. Of course not. This indicator is not. It's not going to show you entries. No reason. If you understand, for example, your target or your point of interest higher, no reason to short. Yeah, at least New York Midnight Open, you know. Also, yes, it's pretty much bullish, so we need to have at least any signs of reversal. If you're trying to short based on 1 minute structure, this means you're trying to trade against the trend, which is not smart. Okay, 10 points away from New York Midnight Open. At this moment, conservative level is going to be New York midnight open, then possibly Tuesday high level. I'm sorry, guys. Well, I can say it's pretty much bullish, but not going to. I'm kind of scared right now to long because it's pretty much high for me already. Do you hear about this? I'm not going to learn something new, guys. Someone already asked me about this. I'm not going to learn something new strategies because I don't need this. Try to keep everything simple, so. I'd like to highlight. Yeah, that's this level. Fail to take New York midnight open, that's my concern. Maybe I would like to highlight OT right now. Let's remove some drawings. Like this. I feel like we still need to go slightly higher. New York midnight open or previous day high level. Yes, because at the bottom of daily fair value gap. Kind of would like to see maybe OT and then continuation higher. Maybe equal lows then continuation higher, something like this. But it will be OT, at least first solid retracement. But what I like about this is that previous day high lines up with daily fair value gap. The trace to this will be right here. This is how they're trying to hold every single order block. Right here we respected OB, right here we respected OB, right here we respected OB. Even right now it's trying to respect the order block right here. Lots of further swings. At least I would like to see solid retracement, at least to this OT, but I guess equals lows may be too much to ask, but at least OT. We need to this retracement before reaching target. I feel like this. Because inside a daily fair value gap, we reaching possibly daily bearish fair value gap right now. Just needs to reach some sort of levels inside this level. For example, we have previous day high level, which lines up with bottom of fair value gap. We have New York midnight open, slightly below this daily fair value gap, but still I expect to get move right now to this previous day high level, because that's not only previous day high level, but also bearish fair value gap on daily chart. The question if they want to retrace to this OT and then continue going higher, or they just want to hold this order block and then continue going higher from this. New York midnight open and possibly previous day high level. That's my point of interest. Come on, NQ, give us solid retracement to this OT level. At least it's going to be something interesting. Not really, not like at 12 p.m. Maybe I'm going to stream until 12:30 p.m., 12:20 p.m. I mean, it can be reversal, it can be retracement. You asked me about fractal model, so I'm just trying to answer it. Not only reversal, but also retracement. Reaction right here. Reaction right here. Really funny to see how it's trying to respect order block every single time. Okay, New York midnight open taken. That's a very first hour target. Let's see if we can run previous day high, but maybe not like that fast, but we will see. No, I'm looking for previous day high first. Because previous day high lines up with bottom of daily fair value gap. Expected to get New York reaction from here, like potential retracement, but at this moment, kind of. Oh, by the way, yes, still below this level. We are 5 points away from New York midnight open. So this means we still have room to go higher on ES. I need to highlight ES right here. I mean set alert right here. Right now, just expect possible retracement, honestly, because ES still below New York midnight open. Just hard to enter this long trade, and I can explain why, because we got minor retracements right here. So annoying to understand that we need to go higher and so hard to enter right here. Every single damager is trying to respect every single order block. Anyway, still would like to see higher, just if it doesn't want to offer any retracements, I guess I'm not going to take any trades. Totally possible if we can reach daily fair value gap, we may try to form smart money reversal from there. Totally possible. It can be low resistance liquidity conditions, yes. Stuck at this level, but once again, yes, still below this level. Right here. You want to see this on ES as well, New York midnight open. Yeah, I'm going to wait. Absolutely zero reason for me already to look for a long trade right here. But even in hindsight, guys, I would not take this trade. It's not what I trade. It's not my model right here, as well as right here. I can delete London high. Would like to see Asia high and possibly previous day high level. Oops, actually I don't need this anymore. Yeah, Asia high looks nice to me, and then for standard deviation, which lines up with previous day high level. Yeah, I should take it. Asia high taken. Looking for previous day high. And daily fair value gap. We'll see. So yeah, no trades taken right here. I did not see my setup, and that's fine. I'm going to Steam here. Maybe it's going to present something, so we never know. Because he is still, how many points? It was like 1 point away from New York midnight open. So far, nothing. Took 0 trades today, but that's fine. So at least yesterday was nice. But that's annoying, guys. Like I streamed on YouTube 3 times, and every single time, what's wrong? What's wrong with my trades? This is the problem, you know. It's not hard to anticipate where market needs to go, but it's hard to execute, honestly. Put it 2 points away from previous day high level. Never found you trading live. I mean, I'm Steam, like it's my first stream on YouTube. Unfortunately, no trades yet. Trying to approach this first standard deviation previous day high level. Just I like that first standard deviation lines up with previous day high. Yeah, I will stream a little bit during lunch, so maybe my setup is going to be presented, so we are going to trade this. Basically, I trade smart money reversals. So smart money reversal happened before market opened. I did not trade this. Once market opened, we got immediately second stage of reaccumulation right here, and then delivered higher. Let's see if we can retrace before taking previous day high level. What time it is? Okay, we have 1 more minute. Yes, it trades has absolutely amazing videos. Well explained, not that long. if you want to watch short videos how to learn ICT, but I recommend to watch core content. My concern is, yes, fail to take New York midnight open level right here. Lots of levels right here, by the way. New York midnight open, London high, previous day high, Asia high. Still failed. Yeah, lots of people who explains ICT pretty well. Yeah, it might offer SMT, but honestly still would like to see NQ also takes out previous day high level. Yeah, this guy explains well stuff pretty well as well. If it's slow right now, it's going to be fast a little bit later. I want to remove this. All I know, yes, needs to take New York midnight open as well. Yeah, I mean, it was kind of slow, but yes, I moved 200 points. Since open right here, we moved like 200 points for less than 1 hour. Yeah, it was like kind of obvious activity right here. This move down was nice. This one kind of hard for me. Yeah, still valid for our fair value gap. It's not inversion. Even if we got move above this level, we did not get the closure. It doesn't mean like it's inversion. Yeah, we traded above, but once again, still valid fair value gap. Oh, nothing here yet. Just did trace to this inversion so far. And that's it. Right here. Then we chase back to this inversion. Also, we trace to 15-minute fair value gap right here. See this fair value gap? Just did trace to this. Both, by the way, on yes and in Q. This moment, yes, we have SMT. Seven minutes left right here. For the retracement, all I can expect is just OT retracement. Not that big move, like 40-50 points. This means it's not going to be like huge retracement. I'm not in trade. Nice reaction from the solder block. Still nothing. No OT. Nothing. Trying to hold this inversion, by the way, since we have to take the sell side liquidity. Both stuck inside 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Got displacement right here. Oops, on 15-second chart. The question if it wants to be, for example, continuation of move up, which can be twin setup as well. Let me check 5-minute chart. You got 5-minute order block right here. We got this means I need to measure from not from here, but from here. 1. We got two 1-minute fair value gaps. We did not get change in the state of delivery in 1-minute chart. But twin setup can be continuation as well. Tap for continuation. So let's see how we react from this gray box if it wants to be continuation. If not, then let's see. Because it can be potential twins continuation, but we need to see how we react from order block first. So now I would like to see how we react from this box. Okay, let's see if we can try to form a sweep right here. Okay, let's see. Already below 50%, no interest anymore. Let's see where we closed first. We got New York midnight open right here. Okay, let's see if you can trade something. It's lunch macro. My account size is 50K. If I want to trade, I'm going to trade 10 micros, I guess. Okay, let me focus right now. We got OT right here. Okay, that's nice. If we can close outside, we can try to short. If it can close outside. Close inside, but okay, let's see. Let me calculate possible risk. 14 points. It's going to be 14 point stop loss if it's going to close below this level. Maybe even more. Let's see. Just trying, why I took out here this low, just trying to find nearest liquidity level. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to focus right now. I want to trade, I'm going to trade 10 micros. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to a little bit distracted by chat right now. Because if it's going to close, I like possible short opportunity right here. Come on, why can I choose this? Something like this for 50 points. We'll try it. My team. That's first OT right here. And the second one is going to be right here. We got the closure, so I like the possible move down. At least to this OT. Guys, give me 1 second. It's already too late to trade, so maybe I just trying to trade the potential retracement. We got sweep. Candle should be continuation lower. Guys, stop arguing, okay? So I don't read chat right now, so let me focus. Oh, I need to turn on copy trading. Forgot about this. Okay. Okay, forgot about this. So let's see. We already got the closure. I would like to see how we react from this box right now. It's not breaker block, it's nothing. We just got the closure below potential order block. That's pretty much it. I'm not in trade, so I'm going to show you once I'm in trade. I'm not in trade. I'm just trying to focus. Trade and sell? Okay. So I turn on copy trading. Just don't blindly press sell button. Yeah, we got the closure, but we need to get at least something to tell us to short. Trying to react this from this order block. Going to extend this. We got the closure. It's about to give us retracement. We got first OT retracement right here. I'm not in trade yet. For me, it's important to see reaction. If it's going to be bullish reaction, obviously shorts will be invalidated. Just, I'm not going to read the chat. If you ask some questions, ask me in 5-10 minutes, okay? We already got first OT right here. Not sell, obviously, yet. We got the closure, we're looking for reaction, and then continuation. Stop arguing who can trade, who cannot trade, okay? All adult people, come on. Once I'm in trade, I'm going to show you guys. Because they already offered opposite change in the state of delivery right here. My Asia high right here. Reaction from 5-minute order block. One. Stop loss, please. Okay. Are you in short or long? In my opinion, shorts invalidated because we already got the closure and back to 50% of this box. I lost my interest in shorts. But not really interest in longs yet as well. Yeah, that's bullish 5-minute order block, yeah. Just guys focus, okay? Let me check 5-minute chart. Nice reaction from 5-minute order block right here. That's pretty much it. You're so what? I'm not going to kill you, don't worry. I'm so kind person, come on. Mm-hmm. How many accounts do I have? I have 4 Tapstep X. I have 1 Express Funded account. Not Tapstep X account. I have Epix funded accounts. I have Elite Trader funded accounts. I have my funded futures. Yesterday I traded Tapstep and Epix accounts. I didn't touch Tapstep X from our last live stream. It was on Thursday. How to find Asia high? Just highlight the range between 8 p.m. and midnight, New York time. Find high and low between 8 p.m. and midnight, New York midnight. Yes, I trade only futures prop firms. I don't trade Forex or something like this. Long right now. Okay, we are going to trade against the, against the chat. Let's short. Waiting. I'm talking with the chat on YouTube right now. Oh, welcome. Right now, it kind of looks like twins for long right now, but kind of tricky. Because usually when it twins, usually it's fast reaction. Now it's pretty slow reaction. That's why I'm like, I need to take it. Not really. Both stuck inside 15-minute bullish fair value gap so far. Anyway, I still feel like ES needs to go higher. That's why I kind of scheduled to trade short because kind of scheduled to trade short right now. It's going to be against the trend because ES needs to go slightly higher. Okay, let's see. Because here I can see potential twin setup. In normal days, I would take this trade like this. But all I don't like right here, it's slow. So I did not get a fast reaction from here. That's kind of confusing for me, kind of tricky right now. But once again, it's kind of too late already to trade, so probably I'm not going to take this trade because it's pretty much consolidation. For twin setup, we must get fast reaction. It's not fast reaction. Hello, hello, hello. It's just not good setup for twins because, once again, it's slow. That's why I'm not ready to try this. Even going to remove this. I like this retracement down to this OT from Asia high and New York Midnight Open. We got some sort of SMT expected to get New York Midnight Open on ES as well, as you can see, failed. So expect to get these levels today. That's why I don't want to short, but kind of scheduled to trade long because we already like moved a lot today. I would like to see higher because ES needs to reach New York Midnight Open. This level. So I see this potential twin setup right here. I did not take this because I don't like how it's pretty like high for me already. Just try. I will try to forward this, add to my journal if it's going to play out. But that's pretty much it. I guess no reason to try to execute right now. Right here. But still kind of would like to see New York Midnight Open. Just feel like ES needs to go higher. And no reason to short because of this. I saw possible short opportunity to the sell stops, but it was immediately invalidated. Once we got closure below with this order block, price traced back up to premium of this previous candle. I was like, okay, no. Invalidated immediately. A test of New York midnight open again. Obviously, I don't recommend too long right now. No, forget about this. We are too high already. Especially, no like real reason on in Q, honestly. That's why I said it's important to wait. Let's extend this OT right here. Back to the 5-minute order block. About to take this OT right here. Who is long? So I'm not in trade at all. Okay, let's switch on this chart. So far, just sweep. We got flat candle right here. We just swept this. And the potential OB in the future. Fair to take 62%, but I guess it took 50%, yes. I don't want to long, I don't want to short. Even if it wants to trade back to premium. Kind of once again, ES needs to go higher. I feel like I'm going to trade against the trend. Once again, we will see. 5-minute. 15-minute chart. Let me measure something. It failed to offer 15-minute inversion, bearish inversion. So it's not sign of a reversal yet. What about this 1-minute chart? Because that's lunch marker, so post lunch marker setup usually nice. Come on, I don't take the chat and I don't take trades because people said something in the chat. First, we must take, in my opinion, New York Midnight Open on ES. Then we can start talking about reversal. Maybe this. How many points we're away from New York Midnight Open? Like 6 points away, and we are 50 points away from previous day high level. 50 points and 6 points away. Okay, if it's going to form OB right here, sorry guys, I'm left-handed person, it's hard for me to write with right hand. If it wants to offer OB from this retracement down, we can see potential displacement once again. Guys, come on, stop arguing, please. You're adult persons, and you're adult person as well. Don't be like kids, please. Sure that, see, I'm not going to list the chat, but it doesn't mean I'm going too long right now. We got it. We got reaction from this inversion. Let's see. I like it. You get. Come on, yes, just 5 points higher. That's all I ask. Not yet. You miss one. Guess you're funny. Looks like you're trying to force a trade. No, I'm not in trade right now, so I'm just trying to find possible direction. I'm not going to possibly execute. I'm sorry, guys. Just trying to find where market wants to go. I don't need to execute for this. I don't need to trade every single day, but if setup wants to present right now, I don't mind to take it. But I'm going to take only low risk trade. I'm sorry, guys. I was loud. I know. Hello, hello, hello. Four points away from New York Midnight Open. Maybe it's going to be SMT. So approaching this New York Midnight Open level. Come on, yes, just take it, finally. That's all we need. Run this equal highs. Still 2 points away from this level, was like 1 point away with this move up. Come on, yes. Do this. Yes, to fetch a high once again. So funny to see, kind of obvious target on ES, but they're trying to dance around this level. What the point was like to reverse T6 away from this level? What was the point in ES? Just tell me. Just tell me. And oh no way, are you serious? It took like so long to reach this level. Are you serious? It took forever to reach this level. It was just annoying, you know, just hard to trade when I understand that market needs to go slightly higher and just like wait, what market wants to do at this point? But right now I'm happy, so maybe previous day high for SMT, but New York Midnight Open, like all I needed. because when we see NQ reach New York midnight open, but ES still below this level, most likely we'll reach on ES as well. With huge chance we will reach this level. Is it a good idea to trade top step, even top step X? See how strong reaction right now. Hi Lumia, I guess you already were here, so hello once again. How do we know with reversal or retracement? That's easy. If we reach high from level, and we got smart money reversal, this means we are going to get reversal. But if we fail to reach high from level, but it looks like we got smart money reversals, it's going to be retracement. I don't know. I maybe need to fix something on settings why I cannot watch 1 hour back stream. I don't know. Would like to see some sort of SMT and previous day high level. Preferably to take this level. Interesting language. I don't even understand this. Ah, well. Okay, as we can see, previous day high level below Asia high on ES, but we're on Asia high on NQ, and previous day high lines up with bottom of daily fair value. I would like to see slightly higher on NQ right now. Since we're on previous day high before market open on ES, I would like to see previous day high level taken, I guess, on NQ as well. I mean, no reason to retest previous day high right now because we're on this level on ES before. But I guess NQ needs to take this level. I forgot we were on this level. Actually, we're on previous day low level, previous day high level on ES, right? This purple box on ES chart is 1 hour OP. Let's see. I live in the US, Florida. Okay, which city? I live in Melbourne. It's Space Coast. Palm Bay. Yeah, Palm Bay, it's like 40 minutes from me. 30, 40 minutes. We lived in Miami, then we switched. We moved to North Carolina, then we back to from North Carolina to to Florida again. So for London kill zone, not really. I prefer to sleep between 2 and 5 a.m. Oh, you're Orlando. Okay. We visit Orlando every single weekend. Florida is nice, a bit hot in my opinion. If someone asked me if I want to move back to North Carolina, I would say yes. But my husband doesn't want to move. So, absolutely amazing state. It wasn't that bad if you ask me about hurricane. It wasn't that bad. You hate Florida? Why? Oh, yeah. We reach daily manipulation level and we reach for our distribution level. If you look closely, I guess daily levels played out already. We play out from daily bearish distribution level and from daily bullish manipulation level. So we move back to daily manipulation level. So what I can expect at this point, I guess I don't want to expect move down to back to daily manipulation level. The retracement can be today from back to daily open, back to 6 p.m. open. London. I prefer to sleep in London because it's time between 2 and 5 a.m. Maybe it's not bad, that's horrible, but I prefer to sleep at this time. So Look at how strong this reaction from New York midnight open on ES. That's crazy. Living in Russia. No, I moved from Belarus 8 years ago to the US. How much it cost for your screen, lights, chair? I mean, I don't know. Do you do mentorships? No. Oh, 2 years. Okay. I moved from there, by the way. I was born in Minsk. That's nice. Interesting to see on ES right now. It's already from OB right here, but nothing on ES yet. Expected to get on NQ previous day high taken, but first expect to get on ES New York midnight open taken. So far we took finally this New York midnight open on ES. As you can see, trying to give us reaction right now from this level. Previous day high failed to be taken. So important to see how we react from New York midnight open on high time frame on ES. Because on high time frame on ES, still nothing happened. I like this order block on ES right here. Come on. Right here. But nothing on NQ yet. By the way, it's about to start PM session. It's pretty long live stream today, but okay. Okay, ES below New York midnight open, NQ is above this level. Usually that leads consolidation. What are you looking to happen? Actually, I expect to get previous day high taken on NQ. As you can see, it's just trying to consolidate the like last how many? Like 1 hour. So but my target on ES was reached. My target was New York midnight open. That's why I would like to see how ES will play, and only will try to take decision or trade based on ES. Because in my opinion, ES done. I mean, of course, we can take Asia high, and that's fine, but obvious target was New York midnight open, in my opinion. We still have SMT. Just swept this New York midnight open. SMT, Asia high taken on NQ, on ES failed to take this level. Right here. You can see this on 15-minute chart, on 1 hour chart pretty much well. Anyway, I guess I guess I'm done for today. I don't like price action so far. Just don't want to chase something, so it's not worth it in my opinion. So I will try to trade to find setup during PM session between 2 and 3 PM, and we'll come back tomorrow. So okay, guys. So guys, see you tomorrow then at 9:15 a.m. So I guess not worth it to look for setup right here. Obviously, we are going to chase. No reason for this. I will try to wait for PM. For PM setup, usually it's going to form between like 1:32 PM, and execution where entry is going to be between 2 and 3 PM. So we'll try to wait for this. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. I hope tomorrow is not going to be horrible price action or consolidation because I'm going to steam again. So see you guys. Bye bye.